Welcome to a Thomas and Friends Kids World's Strongest Engine Breakfast Cereal. For each mini on the losing side will fall into some cereal, and they won't get made it into their own minis anymore. Okay, kicking things off, it's Lady versus Henry. Right. Ew, that's disgusting. I don't like it. Ew. That is gross. Next up, Rusty versus Ryan. This is Rusty's first time ever on a Choo Choo channel. Hi there, hero. I didn't really like it. Yeah, well, it's a shame. And now, Mike versus Spencer. Ew, that was disgusting. Finish up the quarterfinals. It's Toby versus Dan. That was disgusting. Well, I didn't really like it. Salmon final time, Lady versus Ryan. Oh, that's a shame. I didn't like it. Ryan fights back to switch Lady off about who will he face, Spencer or Toby. It's a shame. Oh no, it's a shame. Final round, Ryan versus Toby. Oh, Ryan, you're not supposed to be in the cereal. Scullo's supposed to be finding his mini to be in the cereal. Toby wins. Toby wins for the first time ever on Choo Choo Channel. Click subscribe because sponsor. Bye bye.